Have you ever felt sluggish, bloated, or just not quite yourself? What if I told you that a simple detox could revitalize your energy, improve your mood, and enhance your overall health? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to natural detoxification. Stay tuned, because I'm revealing 8 powerful remedies that could transform your health and help you feel your best. Before we jump into the remedies, let's understand what detoxification really means. Detoxification is your body's natural process of removing toxins. These can come from various sources: environmental pollutants, processed foods, and even stress. Our bodies are exposed to a barrage of harmful substances every day, from air pollution to pesticides in our food. These toxins can accumulate in our system and lead to various health issues, including fatigue, digestive problems, and even chronic diseases. Regular detox helps maintain your body's pH balance, enhances liver function, and boosts your immune system. Not only that, but it can also aid in weight loss and improve digestion. Moreover, detoxification can positively impact mental health. When our bodies are clear of toxins, we often experience better mood stability and cognitive function. So, let's explore the 8 natural remedies that can help you detoxify effectively and safely. Our first remedy is lemon water. This refreshing drink is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and has alkalizing effects on the body. To make lemon water, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Drinking this first thing in the morning can kickstart your digestion and help flush out toxins. The citric acid in lemons can also enhance the function of the enzymes in your liver, facilitating detoxification. Furthermore, lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, which can help eliminate excess water weight and reduce bloating. The high vitamin C content supports your immune system, ensuring that your body is well equipped to fight off illnesses. Next up, we have green tea. This powerful beverage is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help enhance liver function and promote fat burning. Studies have shown that drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day can not only aid in detoxification, but also improve mental clarity and energy levels. Green tea is known for its metabolism-boosting properties, which can assist in weight management as part of your detox journey. Moreover, the polyphenols in green tea help reduce inflammation and may protect against chronic diseases. If you're looking to maximize the benefits, try brewing your tea at a lower temperature, about 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve the catechins. Moving on to fresh juice cleanses. Juicing allows you to consume a concentrated amount of nutrients while aiding in detoxification. Consider using a mix of leafy greens like kale and spinach along with fruits like apples and beets. These ingredients help cleanse the liver and provide essential vitamins. Kale is packed with fiber, which aids digestion, while beets are rich in betaine, a compound that helps the liver eliminate toxins. Juicing is an excellent way to give your digestive system a break while flooding your body with vitamins and minerals. Aim for a day of juicing once a week for the best results. Just remember to include whole foods in your diet as well to maintain balance. Our fourth remedy is herbal teas. Different herbs offer various detoxifying benefits. For example, dandelion root supports liver health, while peppermint can ease digestion. Dandelion root tea is known for its ability to stimulate liver function and promote bile production, which is essential for fat digestion. Peppermint, on the other hand, can help relieve digestive discomfort and bloating, making it an ideal choice after heavy meals. You can create your own detox tea by mixing these herbs or find pre-blended detox teas at your local store. Drink a cup daily to reap the benefits. Additionally, consider exploring other herbs like ginger, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can aid in digestion. If you're finding this information valuable, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the knowledge of natural health. Plus, let me know in the comments which remedy you're excited to try. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Let's talk about apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV has been a popular health remedy for years and is known for its detoxifying properties. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water and drink it before meals. It aids in digestion, balances blood sugar levels, and can even help with weight loss. Studies have shown that vinegar can enhance satiety, making you feel fuller longer, which can help control cravings. Just be sure to rinse your mouth afterward, as the acidity can affect tooth enamel. If the taste is too strong, consider adding a bit of honey or lemon to make it more palatable. You can also use ACV in salad dressings for added flavor and health benefits. Next, let's explore detoxifying foods. Incorporating foods like garlic, turmeric, and cruciferous vegetables can significantly enhance your detox process. Garlic has powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties, while turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric can be particularly effective for detoxification due to its ability to stimulate liver function. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds that help the liver detoxify and can also support hormone balance. Aim to include these foods in your daily meals for maximum effect. A simple way to incorporate them is by making a stir-fry or adding them to your salads. Our seventh remedy is something you can indulge in: Epsom salt baths. Soaking in Epsom salts can draw out toxins through your skin while providing relaxation. Epsom salt is made up of magnesium sulfate, which can help reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including detoxification processes. Simply add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salts to a warm bath and soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is also a great way to relieve muscle tension and stress. To enhance the experience, consider adding essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus for their calming properties. Next, we have probiotics. Maintaining a healthy gut flora is essential for detoxification, and probiotics can support this. You can get probiotics from fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. These foods contain live bacteria that help restore the natural balance of gut flora, which is crucial for digestion and nutrient absorption. Consider taking a high-quality probiotic supplement to enhance your gut health, which in turn supports your body's natural detox processes. Look for strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, which are particularly beneficial for digestive health. Detoxification is not just about a one-time cleanse, it's about making these natural remedies a part of your daily routine. Incorporating lemon water, green tea, fresh juices, herbal teas, apple cider vinegar, detoxifying foods, Epsom salt baths, and probiotics can lead to transformative health benefits. As you embark on your detox journey, remember to stay hydrated, eat nutrient-rich foods, and listen to your body. Your path to better health starts with these simple steps. And don't forget that the goal of detoxing is to establish long-term habits that promote wellness. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more amazing content, check out the next video on your screen. Together, we can unlock the secrets to better health through natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.